Wondering what an AC tune-up is and why it's important? Well, you've come to the right place. Hi there, I'm Michael Carter, Associate Director for Outdoor Products at Carrier. An AC tune-up is a professional inspection and maintenance service that helps keep your air conditioner running efficiently, reliably, and longer. During a tune-up, an HVAC technician checks the key components, like coils, filters, electrical connections, and refrigerant levels, all to make sure everything is clean, safe, and working properly. Why is this so important? For starters, tune-ups improve energy efficiency, which can lower your cooling bills. They also extend your AC's lifespan by catching wear and tear before it turns into a larger breakdown. Routine maintenance can also help you avoid expensive repairs by identifying issues early. And it even improves indoor air quality by keeping filters and airflows clean. Most HVAC professionals recommend scheduling an AC tune-up once a year, ideally before summer season begins. And if you have a heating system, a yearly tune-up in the fall is just as important. Many homeowners sign up for maintenance plans, which include scheduled tune-ups and help protect your investment year-round. It's a simple way to save on repair costs and avoid surprise breakdowns. So there you have it. Now you know why AC tune-ups are important. Check with your local Carrier dealer to schedule an AC tune-up today.